All right, it's obviously a big week, and when you get everyone around the world covering one event, you're going to see a lot of weird stuff. Time for Life Lessons with Leabo, brought to you by Robert Brogden's Olathe Buick GMC and Olathe Kia, home of the 90-day money-back guarantee. We've seen some crazy things on opening night, Radio Row. They have a great big spectacle of a halftime to keep young and old people involved. That's where stars like Rihanna come in. However, my lesson this week is don't mess with Patrick Mahomes about this stuff.
Rihanna came out and said that you are the greatest quarterback ever. Hearing that, how does that make you feel?
It makes you feel great. Whatever Rihanna says is like the gospel. So I'm glad that she went with me for that honor.
She didn't. She didn't. I was just messing around.
Oh man, you got me up here smiling and smirking.
That was former Pro Bowl receiver Brandon Marshall asking that question. Fun fact, Marshall never played in a playoff game in his career, much less won a Super Bowl. But I digress. Having sat through hundreds of press conferences with Andy Reid, I can tell when he's kind of had enough of the situation. I think we're there this week.
What your favorite song is by Rihanna?
Oh boy.
For what it's worth, my favorite song by Riri is Shut Up and Drive. It's really old, but when I used to go to title boxing, it was on my instructor's playlist. So it makes me feel like I should be exercising. Brought to you by Robert Brogden's Olathe Buick GMC and Olathe Kia. Get a 90-day money-back guarantee on new vehicles when you buy from Brogden. Visit BrogdenAutomotive.com.